Sir, our state CHOs, community health officers, and those are working under NHM, like adolescent officers, all those counselors and all, they're working as a contractual. I also appeal the department, the health department, to regularize. In spite of 6-7 years of service, they are not regularized yet. So, let's make a policy. Let's regularize them. Let's give them the current grade pay and also include them in the national pension scheme. Because Ministry of Health and Family Welfare have already recommended for regularization in 2022. Other states like MP, Madhya Pradesh, Mizoram, Sikkim, and Manipur, they already have regularized this CHOs and NHM, I guess so.